How to render transparent PNG images in Blender. First, choose your render engine. Go to the Render Properties tab, which looks like a camera icon, and select your preferred engine from the top. You can use either Eevee or Cycles. Now enable transparency in the render settings. In the same Render Properties tab, scroll down to the Film section and check the box labeled Transparent. Now set the output format. Go to the Output Properties tab, which looks like a printer icon. Under Output File Format, choose PNG. Then set the color option to RGBA so the image includes transparency. Now make sure your scene is well lit and the object is clearly visible. If you want only the object with a transparent background, remove or hide any background elements like planes or environment textures. Now render the image by pressing F12. When the render completes, you should see a checkerboard pattern in the background. This indicates that transparency is working. In the render window, go to the top menu and click Image. Then choose Save As. Make sure the format is PNG and that RGBA is selected before saving. That's it. Your image is now saved with a transparent background and ready to use in your designs, animations, or video projects. Subscribe to J Creative for more simple Blender tips and creative tutorials. Learn fast, create better, stay inspired.